So as some of you guys know, 2020 came with a lot of surprises. So one of them being I got married, another one was joining the army, and the third one was getting my wife pregnant. So today is going to be our gender reveal. So I'm going to do a burnout with this. Well, my brother is going to do a burnout in the car, so we got some little gender reveal packs. That's going to be pretty lit. And yes, my pull-out game is weak. So weak that I can't even pull out of my own driveway. Alright, so we just got to the spot here. Check this out. We got the loadout. The squad is here, bro. I'm gonna go around asking everybody, see what they think, whether or not it's a boy or a girl. So, start off with my sister. She already knows, but obviously she's not gonna tell me what it is. So she doesn't know. Alright, team girl. ¿Qué tú quieres? ¿Hembra o varón? Alright, so that's team girl. Team girl or boy? Team girl? I'm thinking.
Team boy.
Team boy? Team boy?
It's obviously a boy, bro.
Alright. Team girl, team boy?
Team boy, bro.
Team boy?
Team boy, big boy.
Team boy? Okay. What you thinking?
Boys.
Alright. What you think?
Team girl, let's go! Boys.
Boy? Alright, going boys. I guess these guys are team boy too. Alright. Girl? You? Boy? What are you thinking?
It's a boy. You gotta hold it down.
How about you?
It's a puppy.
How about you?
It'll be a little boy drifter.
Okay. Gang.
Juju, what do you think? Is it a boy or a girl?
A girl.
A girl? Huh?
Boy.
You think it's a boy? Okay. How about you, Sarah?
I want it to be a girl, but I'm thinking
Okay. So she thinks it's a boy.
So what do you think it is, babe?
You said it later. Okay.
No, what do you think it is?
A
Girl or
boy.
Boy?
A boy.
Okay.
We're having a boy.
That's the big question. What do you think it is?
A boy. But then because my dad's first was a girl, and my brother's first was a girl, maybe mine might be a girl too. So, maybe. Let's see. Alright, grab it.
Reverse is like a first.
I bet. Yo, just remember, woo, with those sparkle shoes.
You got me so wild. How can I ever deny? You got me so high. So high I cannot feel the fire. And you keep telling me that you'll be sweet. And you never wanna leave my side. As long as I don't break these promises. And I still feel all so wasted on myself. Promises. And I still feel all so wasted on myself. And I still feel also wasted on myself.
So today is the second day. Well, the day after the gender reveal.
Charlie.
You want to be part of the team? Come on, bro. We got a new member of the family. Forgot to mention. The little dude. He's been with us for a while, but
A whole year.
he's camera shy.
I was gonna say that yesterday was a busy day to the point that we forgot to end the video. So.
Yeah, we probably didn't get to get like a good ending for last night because how is COVID-19 going around and everything. We are really not supposed to be gathering or whatever. Everybody had to like, you know, leave right away, especially we were making the spot super hot by drifting there or whatever, and surprisingly no cops came, but we didn't really get to get a good exit video, so we're just gonna talk about like our reaction to it being a girl, why we thought it was a boy, and just things about me, like in general, the army stuff. I was supposed to leave on March 31st, like I told you guys on the last video, but with COVID-19, my leave date was changed, and it was changed to May 5th. So now I got a week more to get the heck out of here and start on the career. So let's see what happens. Supposedly it's confirmed, but I don't know. They could change it. You know, everything's getting bad. It's not like it was getting better. So especially here in New York City. So I don't know. But yeah, we're having a girl, man.
Yep. I want to thank Rosanna. We want to thank Rosanna.
She's my sister.
His sister. She was the only one that knew the gender. Right?
Yeah. She helped plan everything out. She was the one that gathered a bunch of people together or whatever. So NYPD, if you're watching this, go to her and arrest her. She was the one that planned the whole thing out. It was not me. It was not her. It was not Charlie. It wasn't either. It was just arrest her. She's the culprit.
Yep. And thank you for everyone that came in and support this.
I thought it was a boy just because I had like 2 dreams of it being a boy. First one was I had a dream that I was like in this park. Alright, so it was a hall, like a party hall, and then there was a park in the front of the hall. So then the first dream was that somebody knocked the door, and when I opened, there was a baby like in one of those like it was like a car seat. It was a baby like in a car seat left in front of the door, and it was wearing a blue hat. So I was thinking like, oh, like, you know, like, well, it was wearing blue clothing. So I was thinking that would be one for it being a boy. Then my second dream that I had was like 2 weeks after or something. It was a dream about like that my dad was at my friend's house, and he was handing me the kid. You know, like he was giving me my kid, and he was like around 5 years old. He looked like a 5-year-old child or whatever. So those are the 2 dreams, and then yours, I don't really remember how it was.
So my dream was that I was in my cousin's baby shower, and everything was blue. That was my first dream. She literally just gave birth like 3 weeks ago. I didn't know that she's having a boy or a girl, but I had a dream about her. But it was all about me in the dream. That everything was blue.
Well, Elena, that's gonna be your name. Spelled with the E. E-L-E-N-A.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just trying to make it simple for you, you know. I'm not making your life complicated. I'm just trying to save you a whole freaking hassle
2 years.
of. What do you mean 2 years?
It took me 2 years to fix my name.
Well, yeah, but their whole entire life having to deal with
Yeah.
spelling errors in their name,
Yeah,
you know.
true.
So, Elena, thank me for this, okay? Not her. She wanted to spell your name differently. Alright.
How about you, Charlie?
I really hope you're still alive.
What do you mean?
You're 6 years old, man. I just thought about it. Damn. You're actually 7. I forgot your birthday. Damn, I watched this video like, I'm about to cry. I'll watch this video like 10 years from now and I'll be like, damn, I miss my dog.
Your eyes are too watery.
Yeah, I'm really about to
I
cry.
don't know if they can see that, but he's about to cry. You're about to cry, man.
I saved this dog.
Yeah.
This dog used to be stranded somewhere and I saved his life. I'm a savior.
Yep.
He loves me. He doesn't speak English though, I don't know why. Like, he doesn't speak at all. He just barks and stuff like that. You see? I'm telling you, man. Because, first of all, I told you he was camera shy, and now look. I'm trying to talk about his personal business and he gets mad. Sorry.
He's trying to talk to you
I'm
guys.
telling you, man. Still love you, man.
Alright, anyways.
Elena, you're gonna be watching this a couple years from now. I guarantee that. Hopefully we're still alive. Anything can happen.
Alright, I want to start. Oh my god. It's too hard to explain. Post it or not, this video is gonna be always for you because it's just personal. And I want you to know, like, I don't want to like post what people want to see, but I want to keep this video so you can see it later on.
Yeah, that's true.
And see what we're going through.
That's another thing too. Yeah, like because of you, we've done a lot of stuff
He sacrificed a lot.
to change our lives. Like career-wise, I had to make a huge sacrifice. Like, what job would be better off for the future? You know, like a job that will give me time to be with the family and not just take that completely away and stuff. So that's why I was just like, you know what? Let me just join the armies, and this is gonna be the way that's gonna take me out of any situation that I'm in right now. You know, like it's like a security in a sense. A week before we found out you were pregnant, we were having a conversation. We were like, oh, like when do you want to have kids? I was like, oh, you're like 27. And I'm like, yeah, you know, that's a good age. You know, like 27 years old. I'll probably be like, you know, a couple years into my career or whatever, and it's gonna be, you know, pretty good. You know, 27 is a good age. 1 week later, hello.
Yep.
And I always laugh. I'd be like, God is up there, right? But I mean, He's everywhere at all times. And right now, He's inside your stomach, and He's like, ding, 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 ding. These are the pictures of you right now. This is like a week ago, like last weekend. So this is you right here, right? Just chilling, right? And it was funny because we were on FaceTime, right? And as soon as she picked up the phone,
As soon as he picked up the phone,
you started waving. And this is your hand right here.
yep, you were like,
It was funny. It looked like he was waving. He was moving around like a freaking worm in there. You're gonna be here in 4 months. You're gonna be welcome to this earth. I hope you like it. It's pretty cool. You can do a lot of stuff.
Elena, you're my first baby girl. I want you to know that you keep surprising me. And so far you have surprised me 3 times. The first time when we found out we're pregnant, I was expecting you in 5 years from now, but a week later we found out we're pregnant. The second time we were looking for the place for the baby gender, and I was in the car, his Beamer, and you start kicking me. It felt awesome. I was shocked.
She was like, "Waya."
Yeah. The third time, when we found out the gender, hopefully one day you watch this video, you watch every video we post about you, and see how much we love you.
I said it before, and I'm gonna say it again. Girl, boy, you're still gonna be about this life. It's not gonna be an easy road, but we're gonna try our best to make you have the life that we always wanted to have. I think we're gonna be cool parents. I don't know. I feel like if I could be a cool dad. I'll be drifting a lot, and I'm always be in the garage. And you're gonna be there too, because I'm gonna build you a car. I'll build you a car when you're like 4 years old. And you're gonna learn how to drive when you're 5. Because I learned how to drive when I was 9. And I was always a fiend of cars and stuff like that. You're gonna be a cool driver, and all your friends are gonna be jealous. They're gonna be like, yeah, how do you know how to drive stick shift? I don't even know that. You'll be like, my dad showed me. Yeah. My dad actually drove. I had to take off my sweater real quick because it got too hot. But, yeah, that was hilarious. Everybody was thinking that you were a boy. Like, if you see the video, they were like, boy. Only some people thought it was a girl. Like, my mom thought you were a girl because she did some weird thing there with some chain. And then Lewis thought you was a girl, too. Everybody else was thinking that you were a boy. It was hilarious. Somebody that thought they were pretty confident was Flavio. And so... But somebody that was really, really confident and was right about your gender was Frank.
Oh, I have a question. So, if I don't like it, can we redo it tomorrow?
So I want to thank all you guys for following the channel and stuff and for showing your support. Everybody that came out this weekend for the gender reveal. And
First, do it.
huh? What the hell did you just say, dude?
I was gonna say, oh my god, I was gonna say whoever came out and risked their life, but I said it too fast. Yeah. I don't know what's wrong.
Alright, I'm just gonna end it right now.
Okay.
You can risk their life. Alright. Bye!